Hey everyone, Jeffrey here, and in this short video I'm doing a flower bed walk around. I say walk around because it's in my backyard around a maple tree. Every year I just pack it full of different annuals, and I started planting in May after all the tulips and daffodils died back. So starting on the left I have pink sedum, that's actually perennial, scarlet coleus, a spider plant, some white, pink, and fuchsia colored impatiens, a spider plant hanging from that 20-foot chain, more scarlet coleus with petunias below it that are coming back, red impatiens with a white stripe variegation, some bronze coleus above, sun golden coleus, a white begonia that's in that blue pot, more sedum, scarlet coleus, lavender, a spider plant in a DIY concrete project I did this summer, another sedum, and that's it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.